Just keep it simple.
Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm Jackson Frew and this is Jackson Connolly.
And we're here for the Oakley Australian Open Downhill Course Preview for Cannonball, presented by Boost Mobile.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, mine is.
Yeah, look at that. All right, let's go. Follow Jack over this first bit. Go. Going in. Oh, that's right. Oh. Coming into the first of the new bits here. Change it up, got a little bit of a double into these trees now. Taking a different line to Jacko, he's flying! Oh, jumps through road. Oh, down into the oldest bit of the track. Oh, down into the oldest bit of the track, I think, at 40 bags. Oh, struggling to keep up with Jacko. Holy crap!
That bit's deadly and wet. Let's hope it's dry on Saturday.
So much for a nice cruising bloody course preview.
Rough as stuff.
Bunch of updates in here. East Coast Mountain Bike, I think, went up here, and then the local trail crew done a killer job.
Step off.
Is he going to do the triple, I wonder?
Triple!
Oh, yeah, boy! Oh, coming into the chute just here. First time we've both ridden it, so it's going to be nice and cruisy. Oh, I'm going to go low. Oh, I'm going to go low. Oh, I nearly caught ya!
Little step down.
Coming into an updated bandy curve, we'll swap here.
Oh. Sorry on the hand.
Oh, that was nice. Down into the open again, it's been fast. Oh. One little breather for your hands in this whole run.
He goes small.
Set up flying into this new bit. Double!
Yeah, boy. Into the new rocks this year. Bit more direct. Fast.
Probably the tightest corner I've ever ridden. What? Whoa! Sounded like Connolly's crashing behind me.
Deadly.
Off the inside. Whoa! Ooh. It's already rough. It's gonna get so gnarly.
Then I'm flying. Physical track. Then we're back down into the open. We're up the top. Oh, he's pulling it. Oh, I'm swapping.
Oh, we'll let Connolly go through and follow this bit. Oh, look at it go! More updates further down in here. Oh, he pulled a foot!
Whoa! Hold on, Cliff. Low turn. No, another movement here. Get off camber.
Completely new change just here. Completely good rebuild with some off camber. Oh, look at the lines on it! Whoa! Oh, catch a nice breather just there.
Then we're back in another new section. Woo. Well, not a new section, but a revamp.
creeping up this too. Oh, he goes inside, look at him! Couple new jumps just here, let's see if he's going to make the triple. Oh, I'll go this way. Oh, triple! Oh yeah, boy! Changed up the wall right just here. Got a split line. I'm going to go low, I think, here. Oh, look at that!
That's hard, bro. Exit speed's nice, though.
Plenty of line choice being built in here now, which is cool to see.
Yoink!
Oh.
Oh, we're out into the finish arena.
Oh, careful. Oh, he doubles it. Oh, let's watch him go. Oh, yeah!
And that's it. The Oakley Australian Open Downhill.
That's your course preview. Oh, that was sick.
I wasn't expecting to do a full run, but worked.